In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. We'll keep this simple and fun, and by the end, you'll have a clean, stylized cartoon version of any photo you like. Start by heading to canva.com, log in, and open a design. You can use any size you prefer, whether that's a social post, a presentation slide, or a custom dimension. If you're starting from scratch, pick a blank canvas so it's easy to see your edits as you go. Next, upload the photo you want to transform. On the left-hand menu, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your photo from your device. High-resolution images with a clear subject usually give the best results, so choose something well-lit and in focus if you can. Once it's uploaded, drag your photo onto the canvas. Use the corner handles to resize and position it where it feels balanced. You can fill the entire canvas for a bold look or leave a little breathing room around the edges for text or graphics later. Now it's time for the magic. Click on the photo to select it, then choose Edit Image. In the panel that opens, go to Apps and use the search bar to find Cartoonify. Click Cartoonify, and Canva will automatically generate a cartoon version. Give it a moment to process. This happens right inside your design, so you can see the effect instantly. If you don't see the app right away, just scroll the effects list or search again. It's usually near the top once you've used it once. After the effect is applied, you may see sliders for style or intensity. Adjust these until the look matches your vision. If the effect feels too strong, pull the intensity down slightly for cleaner lines and better skin tones. Zoom in to 100% to check details, and don't hesitate to use undo if you want to compare before and after as you refine. To finish things off, you can enhance the overall design. Consider adding a background color or pattern, some complementary text, or a few stickers to match the mood. You'll find backgrounds, shapes, and graphics under Elements and Text in the left menu. Keep your color palette simple so the cartoon effect stays front and center. When you're happy with the result, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp quality or JPG for a smaller file size. Confirm your settings and export. That's it. Your photo is now a polished cartoon, ready to post, print, or share anywhere you like.